Hi, this is Jordan Tennell from Auto Trim Design and the Shiny Garage in Neenah. We're here with Andrew's 2021 Acura TLX. We're going to make this beautiful blue pop, add some protection to it with a ceramic coating. Let's get into it. As you can see, we're getting the surface of the Acura decontaminated. A proper ceramic coating to ensure it lasts. It needs a good surface for the ceramic coating to stick to. So we're getting the entire car washed thoroughly and clay barred. And then we're gonna clean and prep the wheels before we coat everything. Right now, we're further removing any surface contamination we find. Common surface contamination we come across are brake dust, road tar, bird droppings, bug acid. This time of year, pollen is really bad, so clay barring picks up and removes all of those surface contaminants so that that ceramic coating can adhere and bond really well with the surface of that paint. Once we get the surface of the vehicle decontaminated with a thorough wash and clay bar, Sam, our detailing manager, is then going to dry the entire surface of the vehicle. When it comes to drying the surface of the vehicle, we like to recommend something like an air-powered drying apparatus like this blower, or more commonly, which you can find at a local hardware store, an electronic leaf blower, so you're not breathing those fumes in your garage during those cold winter months, and you can dry your vehicle in a matter of minutes and then do any touch-ups with microfiber towels you may need to. Now that we got the vehicle thoroughly washed, prepped, and dried, now typically would be the stage for paint correction. Paint correction will remove any surface blemishes that the paint may have. It'll bring back a high gloss if it is an older vehicle that you're interested in coating. This 2021 vehicle has really great paint. Acura does a fantastic job at the quality and finish of their paint, so this doesn't need any paint correction. But typically we would correct any blemishes so it doesn't get encapsulated in that coating and last as long as the coating does. We like to make sure that that paint is in as good of condition as possible. When it comes to choosing a ceramic coating, there are a lot of ceramic coatings on the market and it can be cumbersome to try and decide which coating to go with. When we did our research, we wanted to make sure it was compatible with other services we offer. We wanted to make sure it would work with wraps, paint protection, and it was all cohesive with each other. So we sent our team down to Illinois. We got formally trained by the company down there to make sure that the coating performs as expected. And on this vehicle, we'll be applying ECP's product, XBC3, which can be applied on everything, the paint, the glass, the trim, including the wheels. So as we get going here, we'll show you guys how the coating is applied. We'll start with each panel and go in a crosshatch pattern to ensure full coverage. Hey guys, as we go around the vehicle and the initial coating is applied, we like to keep in mind high wear areas like the front bumper, mirrors, headlights, right behind the wheels and tires. And we like to go back and apply an additional coat just to help that performance hold up and not wear down based on the stuff that you'll encounter naturally on the road. When it comes to keeping the investment up and making sure that that ceramic coating performs as expected, regular washes are recommended. Whether you don't have time to hand wash it at your home, which is always recommended, then we at least would like to see a touchless wash to help keep that coating clean, not breaking down and things like that. Then, based on your driving frequency, we also recommend using a ceramic detail spray. The ceramic detail spray contains the same particles that are in the coating that's applied, and it just reinvigorates and helps maintain the coating's integrity. Since air, wind, and water are all abrasives, and we want to see that coating sustain its performance through the life that it's expected. Whether your vehicle has the factory wheels or you purchase some aftermarket wheels, we also have a wheel-off ceramic coating package. So if you already have your wheels installed, you can bring your vehicle by. We'll pull off the entire wheel, fully detail it, and also get the barrel coated. The barrel also gets built up that people like to have cleaned as well on some of their summer vehicles or vehicles that they want to be more thorough on. So we'll put the vehicle up on jack stands, pull those wheels, and then get every surface of that wheel coated. If you get brand new wheels, give us a call or stop by with them and see what we can do to get those coated. We're back with our shop supervisor, Ruxin. He inspected the ceramic coating, says it's good to go. And if you want to get in touch with us or leave some comments below, your experience with ceramic coating, anything you would like to see in future videos, drop a comment and let us know. For about a week after the coating has been applied, we recommend not washing it to allow that coating to fully cure and form the best connection with your paint possible. Then after about a week, you can regularly wash your vehicle, use the ceramic detail spray to keep it maintained, and the coating will hold up and keep your car protected. If your vehicle needs a ceramic coating or other vehicle restyling or restoration services, give our team a call at 920-832-0094 or stop by here at our facility in Neenah, Wisconsin, and we'll see what we can do to refresh and restyle your vehicle.